Hello and welcome guys. In this lecture you will send some Ether to another account. You can send it to any account from rinkyby.etherscan.io, or you can create another account in Metamask and send Ether from your first account to the second. Go to Metamask, press big orange send button. In input field, enter recipient address, which is address of your second account, the amount you would like to send, and additional data if you want. You will see a confirmation window where you can find some important parameters of your transaction: gas limit, gas price, max transaction fee. When you send tokens, interact with the contract, send Ethereum, or do anything else in the blockchain, you must pay some fee. This fee is paid to miners